F150 Harley-Davidson, supercharged. It's got the hood scoop, choco gray. It's got the exhaust coming out the side. It's got the bed cover. It's in pristine condition. Call me right now if you want to buy this truck. We can make a deal. 954-937-8271. 954-937-8271. Also has a sunroof, black leather interior. Body is straight. Interior is in super clean condition with new tires. Nothing wrong with it mechanically. Drive it anywhere, or I can assist you with shipping right to your doorstep. Call me right now at 954-937-8271. 954-937-8271. Visit bigboyhotrods.com. bigboyhotrods.com. Interior is like new. Got the exhaust on it. Great shape interior. It's got the books in here and records. Call me right now, 954-937-8271. You want to buy this truck. Thank you for looking, guys.